Cibenta pen pestet ya kam hakaban sedang no ya jingte ya entry point hapo Reboy district. Kaban longru kawai na kilat ban perking ya karung kami jongki barjela chapo kane ka jela Meghalaya. Nakaliang umentri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma mentak sengi ulalej ban jurip ya kawai ka jaka bante ya entry point ka bahap hapo ka senong umling Reboy district. Laya senran langru hakane ka jinglet jurip umentri rangba dau James PK sangma Home Minister uba snyau balang dhar Transport Minister bat uba Hamlet Doling Urban Affair Minister. Lembat ki officer jong kitnat beper-per ke district kuntum nadu ka kong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ke district lembat kiwe-kiwe ki officer. Lengba kane ka jinglet jurip jong menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ula pentip basyan an sedangno ya ka jingte ya ka entry point hapo kane ka jaka ka bahap hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka transport department. Hakabala ptharu ya ki officer ka district ban jurip bat ban sedang ya ka kamsyan hakine ki benai banwan. Ulai turu baka sarkar jela kamsyam la song klikti halor ka jingte ya ki entry bat exit point. Kiban sate haki khatsau tuli ki jaka kuntup Hagaro Hills. Hakabal lengba kini ki entry bat exit point. Onla bantem nane perking ya ka jingrung kerslem jong ki barjela kumjuru ki mandari.
Basically, this land here, as you can see, this belongs to Transport Department, and we have been, in fact, in the past few months, we have been looking for a location for the entry point, which has been really something that's very important to our government. And we had tried to look at lands that we would purchase, and in the process we were able to identify a land that already belonged to the government, to the Transport Department, and therefore this has been something that's been quite kind of a practical proposition, and government has been able to save a lot of money also, because otherwise we'd have to spend a lot of money to buy land as well as to develop it. So I think it's a very positive step. And all the departments are out here. Our Honourable Minister Transport is here. Our Honourable Minister Urban Affairs is here. All the officials from the administration, our SP, our Tourism Department, Revenue Department, Transport Department. So we all have come together, and our engineers from PW Department are here. So we have finalized this location for the entry point, and I'm happy to inform you that the work also will start in the next few weeks or maximum a month's time. Already we have given the green signal to PWD department to design the place and design the entire facilitation center. And here itself there will be the integrated checking points also will be in the same location. So therefore we're very happy that this land was available, and as I said, most importantly we have finalized it, and the entry point will be here. And I'm happy to inform everybody and all our, in fact, people from our state, that the work for this particular entry point will start very, very soon.
How much time will it take to complete this process?
Of course, completion process might take a bit of, to complete the entire facilitation center might take us some time, because it involves many things. But the work will start in the next month or so. And the basic infrastructure required for the entry point, that we'll be able to set up in a very short time. But as you know, that the facilitation center on its own requires many things, like the parking spaces required, like different departmental official sections will be there. So those might take a bit more time, and we will see as we go along. But most important is at least the entry point where the facilitation center itself will be there. That should not take too much of time. Hopefully we should be able to complete it in a very short period. But at least let the work start. Let's see how it progresses. The good part is that the decision has been made. The positive thing is that everybody is here. Everybody has been told to start the work immediately, so that we can finish the work at the earliest.
Asal banca program jalan hati. Kita kenal nanti Indonesia Batinor. Baca di kampung long kepada Porobiang kerana pernah bantel kapal jangan diberi kepada bar yang bah kejendon juga ni ke entry and exit point.
Ini bawa kidan benar.
Tentang kau ini mah bayar lihat benar di kanan di jauh transport. Yang kalian jauh transport banyak naik ha. Saya pergi dan dari Sokola Monfiam, Normally, ini lawan Fanny lawan Respect. Kemudian ini buat dolang buat ngai buat abal. Ini lap pakai cakap kalau enggak. It's very good for the purpose. Ini kalian jauh di Department of Indonesia lah. Mundur ni bagi dolang kering tinggal saja makan. Aku mulai tu makan. Ang beda buat tu kan. Kalau kita katain, maka orang hidup kami kita akan berdekat pada kami, kan kita paham. sekarang kamu dah attack. Jika drawing in prepare, actually how much the camp so good prepare. Akhirnya ni pun transport tu Pak Main beri. Bisa pun bala dulu pak cak nak mulai pulut pada ketika penting cak ayo pada standi ka ni first story immediately.